Hello, welcome back to this week's episode of the Aeneid. Today, Virgil's gonna give us a tour of the Underworld. So you start with But, the gloomy or grim boatman, accepts or receives now this and now those souls. So the souls here are implied because they're in the underworld. But or yet um, wards off and keeps away. So instead of Samotos Arquette, it will be Samovit et Arquette. So it will be wards off and keeps away others far from the sand. So the harina, it is an ablative of separation. It literally means the sand of the bank. For Aeneas, having marveled or wondered at all this and moved by the tumult or commotion, uproar, he says, "Tell me, O madam." Madam here, he is referring to the Sibylline priestess. What this crowd want at the river? Or what are the souls or spirits seeking? Or by what distinction do these souls implied, leave the banks behind, while those souls sweep over the dark shadows with oars? Oars here, or remes here, it is the ablative of means. Ole here, it is a dative of reference. So it refers back to Aeneas. Therefore, you start off this line with "to him." Thus, in this way, the aged priestess briefly spoke. So the Long Gavea, it refers to or connects to Ovid's Metamorphoses. So the Sibyl said the legend had received the gift of as many years as the grains of sand, which she held in her hand, but without the boon of youth. So you start off with Genererat, you born from Achaeces, most definite or most undoubted offspring or descendants of God. So you start in the middle. You see the deep depth water or pool of Concoctus and the swamp of Styx. And moving on to the last line that I'm going to translate. Ku is here. It is a genitive relative pronoun and it refers to pneumon. So you start off with the divine will of which the gods fear, to swear by, and to deceive. Anyways, thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!